we've just acquired this lovely price range Mercedes E-Class AMG Sport. It's in beautiful condition, as you can see. It's got the front park distance control, lovely smoke chrome alloy wheels. Got new centre caps coming for those. It's just arrived, so I just thought I'd get a video done. Got rear privacy glass, rear park distance control, body works lovely. Just driven the car, it drives superb. It's just going to have a service and a 12-month MOT. Got the half leather Alcantara trim with the white stitched piping, electric windows, electric mirrors, and auto headlights. It's done 99,955 miles. It's got heated seats, 3 stages, cruise control, multi-function steering wheel, 6-speed gearbox. Bluetooth, DJH with full dealer facilities. Please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.